Have you ever had your heart broken and wondered how to heal? We've all been there. Heartbreak is a universal experience, a shared journey through a landscape of emotions that can feel overwhelming. But remember, it's a journey, not a destination. The pain of heartbreak, while intense, is not permanent. Throughout this video, we'll explore 6 steps to healing from a broken heart. Not letting your emotions rule, taking care of yourself, not getting stuck in the past, avoiding rebound relationships, offering forgiveness, and reevaluating your needs. These steps might seem daunting, especially if you're in the throes of heartbreak. But rest assured, each one is designed to help you navigate the emotional storm you're weathering and guide you towards a place of healing and growth. It's important, though, to remember that healing is not a linear process. It's a journey with highs and lows. Sounds like a lot, right? Don't worry, we'll break it down for you. First things first, don't let your emotions rule. When a relationship ends, it's easy to see it as a failure. But let's shift our perspective a bit, shall we? Instead of a failure, think of it as a stepping stone, an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become a better version of yourself. And yes, it's quite natural to harbor feelings of anger, resentment, even thoughts of revenge. But here's a reality check. Causing pain to others won't lessen yours. On the contrary, it might amplify your own suffering and hinder your healing process. So here's a thought. Instead of dwelling on the negatives, why not channel your energy into something positive? Something that aids in your personal growth and healing. Remember, we're not just healing for the sake of it, but to emerge stronger, wiser, better. Remember, causing pain to others won't lessen yours. Next up, self-care. It's not just about bubble baths and chocolates. Self-care is a threefold process: emotional, physical, and spiritual. Emotionally, it's about allowing yourself to feel and express your feelings, be it through journaling, talking to a friend, or even crying it out. Physically, it's about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. You might be surprised how much a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a good night's sleep can influence your mood. Spiritually, it's about finding peace within yourself. This can be through meditation, prayer, or spending time in nature. Whatever it is that replenishes your soul, do that. These elements of self-care, while seemingly simple, are key in navigating the choppy waters of heartbreak. They provide you the strength and resilience you need to heal. So remember, even as you're going through this tough time, be patient, gentle, kind, and giving toward yourself. Now let's talk about the past. It's behind you for a reason. We all have a tendency to don those rose-colored glasses when we look back at past relationships. It's easy to forget the fights, the stress, the tears, and remember only the laughter, the shared moments, the love. This phenomenon is called rosy retrospection, and it can be a major roadblock on your path to healing. You see, when you refuse to acknowledge the problems and only focus on the good, you're denying yourself the chance to grow, to learn from your mistakes. And sometimes it can feel like those memories, both good and bad, are on endless replay in your mind. They intrude on your thoughts, keeping you stuck in a past that no longer exists. But remember, it's crucial not to lose perspective. Accept the past for what it was, a chapter of your life that had its highs and lows. Instead of dwelling on what was, focus on what can be. Try not to lose perspective. Remember why things ended. Feeling lonely? It might be tempting to jump into a new relationship, but hold on. It's important to understand that the urgency you feel to find a new partner might actually be a sign of you trying to avoid confronting the pain of your recent breakup. This avoidance behavior is what we call a rebound relationship. Now, why are rebound relationships risky? They often act as a distraction, deterring you from processing the emotions and lessons from your previous relationship. They might offer temporary solace, but they don't provide the healing you need. More often than not, these relationships are built on a shaky foundation of unresolved feelings and can lead to further heartbreak. It's like putting a band-aid on a wound that requires stitches, so remember, it's okay to be single and take time for yourself. There's no rush to find a new partner. Healing is a journey, not a race. Take your time, there's no rush. Forgiveness can be difficult, but it's a powerful tool for healing. When we speak about forgiveness, it's important to understand what it truly means. Forgiveness isn't about excusing hurtful actions or behaviors. It's not about pretending that things didn't happen or that they didn't hurt. No, forgiveness is about releasing the hold that these past experiences have over you. You see, when you forgive, you're not doing it for the person who hurt you, you're doing it for yourself. You're allowing yourself to let go of the bitterness, the resentment, the anger that's been tying you down. You're giving yourself permission to move on, to heal, to grow. It's not an easy journey, and it might take time. It's a process that requires patience, understanding, and a whole lot of self-love. But remember, you're doing this for you, for your peace of mind, for your heart to heal, for you to grow stronger. Remember, forgiveness is for you, not them. Finally, let's talk about you. What do you need in a relationship? After a breakup, it's crucial to take a step back and reevaluate your needs. What is it that you truly desire in a partner? What are the non-negotiables? What values do you hold dear? These are questions worth pondering. You see, breakups, despite their heartache, provide a unique opportunity for self-reflection and growth. They give us a chance to reassess our wants and needs and to understand ourselves better. So, grab a journal or your laptop and start writing. Make lists of what you want, what you don't want, and what you absolutely won't tolerate in a relationship. Just remember, there's no rush. This is not about quickly finding someone new. It's about understanding you. It's about building a better, more fulfilling future. Use this time to learn about yourself. It will only make your future relationships better. Alright, we've talked a lot about understanding, processing, and growing from heartbreak. Now it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, why not give us a thumbs up? Your support means a lot to us. And if you want to keep learning and growing, consider subscribing to our channel. We have plenty of other videos that tackle life's challenges, offering insights and advice to help you navigate through. Don't forget to also check out our video playlists. You might find something that speaks directly to your situation. And remember, we're here for you. Life's ups and downs are easier to navigate when we do it together. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Here's to taking control of your life and moving forward with resilience and wisdom. You've got this.